The Election Commission of India has finally spoken, facing criticism after Rahul Gandhi presented evidence to suggest large-scale discrepancies in voter rolls of Maharashtra and Karnataka, and over its decision to conduct a special intensive revision of voter rolls in Bihar only months ahead of the state assembly election. The EC today held a press conference. But here are 5 claims by Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar which don't really add up. On Bihar's draft SIR rolls first published in machine-readable format being replaced by non-machine-readable scanned copies after Rahul Gandhi's vote Chori press conference, the Chief Election Commissioner said that this was done in order to protect the privacy of voters. This, he said, is in line with the Supreme Court guidelines on this issue. He also cited a breach in privacy of individuals who were named by Rahul Gandhi in his press conference. The Chief Election Commissioner, however, did not clarify if the people who Rahul showed as having multiple voter IDs did indeed cast multiple votes, or if their voter IDs were misused to cast fake votes. On the Election Commission's confrontational attitude towards Rahul Gandhi, where he was asked to submit an affidavit regarding his concerns, whereas BJP leader Anurag Thakur, who made similar claims about voter roll discrepancies in Amethi, Wayanad and Raebareli, was not. The Election Commissioner said that Rahul's concerns are not just about 1 or 2 voters, and to conduct an inquiry into allegations of that scale, the Election Commission needs an affidavit. He, however, again did not answer as to why a similar affidavit was not demanded from Anurag Thakur. The Election Commission also addressed the delay in probing the alleged irregularities in the 2024 Maharashtra Vidhan Sabha election. The Chief Election Commissioner said that if the political parties are so sure about wrongdoing, they should approach the courts. He also tried to shift the blame to political parties by saying that they should have approached the EC before the elections or within 45 days of declaration of results. Now, to be honest, this is slightly misleading because the Congress and other opposition parties have been raising these issues since December last year. In fact, Prakash Ambedkar's Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi also approached the Bombay High Court with a petition on this issue. That petition, however, was later dismissed. Next, the Chief Election Commissioner addressed the issue of multiple voters raised by Rahul Gandhi. He said that when the EC asked the Congress party for proof, it was unable to furnish any. The Chief Election Commissioner also added that just because a person has multiple voter IDs, it does not mean that they were able to cast multiple votes. Now, first things first, just having multiple voter IDs itself is a violation under the Representation of People Act. Also, it's unfair of the Election Commission to ask the political parties for proof in this case, because to prove if a person who's registered multiple times on the voter roll actually managed to vote multiple times, or if their voter ID was misused to cast fake votes, one needs to audit the register of voters. This cannot be done by a political party because only the Election Commission has access to it. The Election Commissioner also answered several queries regarding the voter roll revision exercise which is underway in Bihar. For instance, he said that a similar exercise was conducted in 2003 within a similar time frame. Now, this is quite contrary to what the political parties in Bihar are claiming. When the special intensive revision of rolls was announced, the RJD said that the 2003 revision exercise took more than a year to complete. Interestingly, the EC has failed to produce the notification that was issued in 2003 to set the record straight. The Quint has been relentless in its coverage of the Election Commission of India. So if you want to know more about this issue, you can head to our website and read the other reports.